Hello, my name is Amber Scott and we're going to be doing Lab 7. We're going to be comparing the effects of the difference of using butter and applesauce within our brownies. Okay, so I have my two different bowls. I'm going to add the butter as my fat to the one on the left. Then I'm going to add my applesauce as the fat substitute to the one on the right. Alright, so just after mixing them well, you can see that the butter mixture with the cocoa came out very creamy and smooth, whereas the applesauce mixture it's lumpy and you can still see the coarseness of the applesauce. Alright, now that I've added the eggs, I'm also going to add the flour to each. And the sugar. Lastly, I'm going to add almond extract because I ran out of vanilla with the Thanksgiving holiday. So mine will taste a little bit different, but I think they'll still taste good. It should not affect the recipe. And then I'm going to place them into these casserole dishes because I do not have 8-inch by 8-inch pans. So after that, we'll bake them at 350 and come back and check them out when they're all done. Okay, so our brownies are done cooking now, and the appearance between the two is pretty different. This one over here is the brownies that was made with the fat. They have come out darker and they have a lot more of the craters that are forming along the top of it around the edges or towards the edge of the middle parts. So then over here we have the applesauce one. This one is lighter, probably by about 3 shades. It's more even, not so many craters, and aside from that, they both look pretty delicious. Okay, so now we're ready to test as far as taste and texture is concerned with the brownies. We're going to try the one made with butter first. So I've cut off a small piece. So it definitely tastes very rich. It's chewy, chocolatey, sweet. You can taste the butter making it all blend very well together and have that overall rich taste to it. So now for the tasting of the second brownies made with the applesauce instead of the butter. The texture is definitely, it's more of a gummy texture as opposed to a chewy texture. And it tastes not as rich and intense as the other ones, more so, it almost has a fruity hint to it, like you can almost taste the applesauce coming through. There is a slight tone of chocolate taste to it, but overall still pretty good. It just doesn't have the traditional brownie taste to it. So that completes our lab for this week, Lab 7, evaluating the differences between using butter and applesauce in recipes. I had fun making these, and I'm sure my kids will have even more fun eating them.